Want me do my dance, 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 dance. Bands in my pocket. Come and get your mans, far up my rocket.
Yo, what up YouTube? Come back at y'all with a new unboxing. Today we're gonna unbox these Nike AirMax 97s with Undefeated collab. Undefeated right there. Size 8.5. They retail for $180. Came with a pack, but I just got this shoe, the olives. See the Undefeated wrapping paper. Here's the first shoe. Let me take them off the box. Here's the other shoe. And I put the box out the way. And just leave the shoes. Oh well, that fell. Here's the shoe. All olive upper. With the Undefeated logos wrapping around the whole shoe. Black Nike swoosh. Look at the tongue. Orange Undefeated logo. Orange Nike swoosh. Olive laces. With the heel tab. AirMax. Nike logo. The bottoms. Orange logo in the bottom with a one bubble. More bubble here. Let's look at the inside. If we could see Nike logo in there with the Undefeated logo as well. Let's look at the other shoe. Same thing on this one. Nike logo on the inside of the shoe. Feels real tight too, like for narrow foots. It's definitely gonna go good with those people that like those type of shoes. Same thing, bottoms, all blacks with a little touch of orange. I really like the quality on these. We got a little bit of leather in here. Just this part. A little bit of leather here too. Not too much. Just these lines. As you can see. But yeah, man, it's a real nice shoe. It's definitely a cop if you ask me. So I had to do it. But that should be it for today's video. Nothing major, just something slight. Yeah, man, so I'll catch you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'm out. Peace.